Assalamualaikum to Mr. Rizal, our lecturer for subject MEC 435 and fellow panel. We are from Group 6 and today we are going to talk about our innovation on a GoPro holder. Before I start, I'm going to introduce my group members. So my name is Muhammad Haziq. My second group members is Muhammad Syamil Shazwan. The third one is Muhammad Khairul Azhan, and the last one is Abdullah Amir Amshah. So in this presentation, we're going to explain about the objective of the project, the Pew chart, morphological chart, stress analysis, and of course our final design of this GoPro holder. So we name our GoPro holder as Stickset, as our main purpose of design is to make it easier for users to use it with a drone or either with a stick. Next one is I'm going to explain about the objective of the design. The first one is to minimize vibration when handling the GoPro to produce high quality image and videos. So in our holder, there will be a gimbal attached so that the image and videos produced will always be steady and with minimized vibration. Second one is to have a GoPro holder that can be instantly attached to a drone. Later on this presentation, my group members will explain about our design that will make it easier to attach to a drone. The third one is to produce image in tight and hard to reach space. Our holder will come with a stick so that it can be attached either with a stick or to a drone, so we can take picture in tight space. The last one is to give easy accessibility when taking a photo or starting a video recording. So at the stick, there will be a button that can be connected to the GoPro, so that users can just click the button to start a video recording or to take a photo.
Park chart. The park chart is a tool used for evaluating multiple options against each other. Rather than basic consideration of the pros and cons of each funding option, the park chart gives a holistic overview of the needs, goals, and other important criteria for the team versus the available alternative. Design 1 is a standard design that used by the people. We use attachable holder to attach a GoPro to the drone. It is a affordable design and easy to use by the people. Next is design 2. We have added gimbal and extension stick to improve our GoPro holder. The function of the gimbal is pivoting support that allows you to rotate an object along a single axis. These are three axes identified by us, which is pitch, yaw, and wheel. The function of extension stick is to increasing length for the sticks. The extension stick will make the GoPro increase in width, scope, area, and range. The last one is design number 3. It's same as design 2, but we have improvised it more by adding 360 ball connector. The function of 360 ball connector is it can rotate for any direction. We can take a video for every angle and can get a best shot for the video. For the final design, we use a datum to choose for the best design. The design which get higher net score will choose for our design. The criteria for the design is based on durability, mobility, safety, complexity, easy to use, and affordable.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Abdullah Amir Amshah and I will discuss about the morphology chart. The morphology chart is a method to generate idea in an analytic and systematic manner. Usually, function of the product are taken as a starting point The various function and sub-function of the product can be established through a function analysis. For the flow of the design, we have three options for the camera holder, stabilizer, extension stick, and mobility. For camera holder, we redesigned the camera holder to make it more reliable to combine to the drone. For the stabilizer, we also redesigned back by adding gimbal at the end of the holder and make it more stable. Okay, the third one is the extension stick. We decide to make the extension stick which purposely to make sure the GoPro can go to the tiny space and get the best shot of picture. And last one is mobility. For this one, we will make sure that the camera can go for 360 view by using ball and socket, so the camera can rotate widely and get the best view. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shamin Shazwan. Today, I want to present about the stress analysis for the holder. From the analysis, we use a 10 Newton of load that is placed on top of the 360 ball connector. As you can see, that the load has bent the component and produced a safety factor minimum of 2.918. We use 10 Newton load because the average weight for the GoPro is about 74 gram to 118 gram. So, by using the 10 Newton load, the holder can hold a weight up to 10 kg of object. Next is I want to talk about the safety factor. The safety factor from the analysis have computed is 2.92. This has shown that the product is safe to be used because it have passed above 1 safety factor. So, this is the final product that we have designed based on the morphological chart and final sketch. We have rendered the design to show the detailed material. From the design shown, firstly, from the stabilizer, or we also call a gimbal, we choose the color black because the material comes from the carbon fiber. The gimbal, if you have seen, has a screw on top of the component. This is to connect the component to a drone or a stick. Next, the extension stick is colored grey to show that the material from an aluminium. The red color from the 360-degree ball connector are made from polycarbonate plastic, and also red give the product more vibrant looks. Lastly, the GoPro casing are also made from polycarbonate plastic but with transparent bronze color. Lastly, I wanted to present about the bill of material. The BOM, or also called a bill of material, are shown a list of material that we use. Firstly, for the gimbal, we use a carbon fibers material for the product. This is because carbon fiber have a high ductility rate. That is a strong material, yet it also are a very lightweight material so that it can be easier to be lift and stabilized. Next is the extension stick. We use an aluminium for the material. This is because aluminium is a lightweight steel, and also aluminium are harder to rust so that the product can last much longer. For the 360 ball connector, we use a polycarbonate plastic. Polycarbonate is one of the strongest plastic and lightweight that have been manufactured. The polycarbonate for the 360-degree ball is designed to be opaque to give the design much more aesthetic. Next is the GoPro casing. The material that we use for the casing is also a polycarbonate plastic, but it is transparent. The polycarbonate plastic is strong, and the reason that we use this type of plastic is to protect the GoPro from taking damage if the product have fallen to the ground. The material also can withstand from every type of weather so that it can be used anywhere at any type of situation. That's all from me. Thank you.